Are you dreaming for a career in engineering or medicine? Your journey to success begins here at Titiksha. At Titiksha, we don't just teach, we inspire. Our expert teachers, who are alumni of top institutions, are here to guide you every step of the way. With our proven track record, we turn thousands of dreams into reality. It's not just about cracking exam, it's about laying a foundation for life. Join us for a free demo class and experience the difference. Your future is waiting, and it's brighter than ever. Titiksha, elevating minds, shaping future.